Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. Dive into the latest buzz as the EV market faces challenges. Netflix takes a hit in the Mike Tyson versus Jake Paul saga, and Supermicro Computer strategizes to stay on Nasdaq. Senators demand an investigation into SpaceX contracts linked to Musk's Russia communications, while Elon Musk endorses Howard Lutnick for Treasury Secretary. Explore how generative AI might be mirroring Facebook's growth trajectory according to Morgan Stanley, and hear utilities plea for Trump to maintain clean energy and EV tax credits. Discover who from Uber is being considered for Trump's transportation secretary role amid Wall Street's reaction to Fed remarks this week. Stay tuned after a short ad break for more insights on these headlines. Electric vehicles are progressing, yet the affordable segment is tough. Lucid Motors CEO Peter Rawlinson plainly said that entering the market for low-cost electric vehicles is challenging.
Nearly 100,000 Netflix users faced issues during the historic boxing match between Mike Tyson and Jake Paul on Friday. Problems reported included connection issues, frozen screens, and live stream failures. Jake Paul stated that over 120 million viewers watched the event on Netflix.
Supermicro Computer intends to submit a plan by Monday to maintain its listing on the Nasdaq stock market. The company requires additional time to file quarterly earnings and hire a new accounting firm. After being delisted in 2018, Supermicro is working towards meeting Nasdaq requirements soon.
Two senior Democratic senators are calling for an investigation into Elon Musk's reported discussions with Russian officials, including President Putin, due to national security concerns. They are questioning Musk's involvement in SpaceX contracts valued at billions with the U.S. government. Musk denies these accusations and is considering legal action against those making the claims.
Elon Musk supports Howard Lutnick, CEO of Cantor Fitzgerald, for Treasury Secretary, believing he would bring change. Musk criticized Scott Bessent as a business-as-usual choice. A Trump transition spokesperson stated that decisions for the second administration will be announced when finalized.
Generative artificial intelligence, led by OpenAI's ChatGPT, has been widely adopted since late 2022. Major tech companies such as Microsoft, Google, Meta Platforms, Apple, and Amazon are deeply involved. A Morgan Stanley survey shows that daily AI tool usage mirrors Facebook's early growth. While research is the main use case, commercial activities like shopping and travel planning are on the rise. Innovation in AI models is key for future adoption and monetization potential.
Utility companies, with Edison International CEO Pedro Pizarro at the forefront, are urging the Trump administration to keep clean energy and electric vehicle tax credits from the Inflation Reduction Act. These credits are crucial for growth in sectors like energy storage and EVs. Major automakers also back these incentives because of their job creation benefits.
The Trump transition team is evaluating Emil Michael, a former Uber executive and Trump donor, for the role of transportation secretary. Other potential candidates are Representatives Sam Graves and Garrett Graves, along with former Representative Sean Duffy. A spokesperson mentioned that decisions will be announced soon.
U.S. equity futures fell as the 10-year Treasury yield reached a 5.5-month high after Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell's comments on interest rates. The Nasdaq, S&P 500, and Dow Jones experienced significant declines. Bitcoin surged to a record high above $93,000 amid optimism about the incoming Trump administration's stance on cryptocurrencies. Tesla and Roivant rallied after Elon Musk and Vivek Ramaswamy were chosen for a new government efficiency department but ended the week down. Rocket Lab shares rose with strong revenue forecasts, while Monolithic Power dropped due to concerns over NVIDIA partnerships. Rivian announced a joint venture with Volkswagen for electric vehicle technology despite potential tax credit cuts affecting EV makers like Tesla and Lucid Group negatively. Hims and Hers Health plunged after Amazon launched competing telehealth services. Capri Holdings' merger with Tapestry was blocked by regulatory concerns. Disney shares soared on strong earnings. Micron Technology and Western Digital fell due to forecast cuts. Palantir Technologies gained from its Nasdaq listing move. Spirit Airlines neared bankruptcy as Frontier withdrew its acquisition bid. Supermicrocomputer delayed filings impacting stock prices negatively. Vaccine makers' stocks dropped after Robert F. Kennedy Jr.'s appointment announcement by President-elect Trump. Thank you for tuning into the Daily Business and Finance Show. Stay informed, stay ahead. Join us next time for more insights and updates. Goodbye. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Farewell until tomorrow. Have a good one wherever you are.
This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.